In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Planner group. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a group in Microsoft Planner doesn't just remove a plan, it deletes the entire Microsoft 365 group tied to that plan, including emails, files, and other related content. This is permanent and can't be undone, so make sure you're absolutely certain and that you have the right permissions, typically as a group owner. Start by opening your browser and going to tasks.office.com. Sign in with the account that has access to the plan you want to remove. Once you're in, locate and open the specific plan that's associated with the group you intend to delete. Take a moment to double check the plan name to ensure you're in the correct place, especially if you work with multiple plans. At the top of the page, find the plan title. Right next to it, there's a small downward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open a menu of options related to your plan. This is where you'll find configuration and details that go beyond basic task management. From that drop-down menu, select Plan Details. This opens a sidebar with information about the plan and its associated group. It's a useful spot for confirming you're looking at the right plan because you'll see things like the description and ownership context. Within that sidebar, switch to the Group tab. This tab focuses on the Microsoft 365 group that powers your plan behind the scenes. Here's where the critical option lives. Scroll to the bottom of this group section and look for the link that says Delete Group. Keep in mind, you may only see this option if you're a group owner, since deleting a group is a high-impact action. When you click Delete Group, a warning box will appear. Read it carefully. It explains that all content connected to the group, emails, files, planner tasks, and more will be permanently erased. If you have any doubts, pause here and consider whether you need to keep any files or confirm with your team. If you're ready to proceed, check the confirmation box indicating you understand the consequences and then click Delete. That's it. The group and everything tied to it will be removed. As a final tip, it's good practice to communicate this change to teammates beforehand so they aren't caught off guard, and to make sure any critical documents have been saved elsewhere. If your goal is only to clean up your task view, deleting the entire group may be more than you need, so be sure this is the right move for your situation.